Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss out on our expert product reviews and beauty tips. Today, we're diving into a body lotion that's made quite the buzz, the Goop Beauty Body Butter. This is a lotion designed for dry skin and skin repair, packed with a blend of Bacuri, Cupuaçu, and Shea butter. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. This luxurious body lotion claims to do a lot for dry, rough skin. It's a rich, high-performance cream that's not just about hydration, but also firming and smoothing. The product is free from parabens, silicones, artificial dyes, and fragrances, which is great for anyone looking for a cleaner skincare option. The formula includes nourishing ingredients like Bacuri, Cupuaçu, and Shea butters, along with botanical extracts like caviar lime, jojoba, and mulberry leaf. It's also supposed to deliver 72 hours of hydration, leaving skin feeling smoother, firmer, and toned. On top of that, the formula promises to be clinically proven to improve skin's tone and texture after 4 weeks of use. Now, let's talk about my experience with this body butter. The first thing I noticed is how thick and creamy the texture is. It feels incredibly luxurious when you apply it, melting right into the skin without feeling greasy or sticky. A little goes a long way, which makes the 6.1 ounce bottle feel like it'll last a while. The scent, while subtle, is a citrusy delight, which adds a refreshing touch without being overpowering, especially since it's fragrance-free by traditional standards. In terms of real-world testing, I used this lotion consistently for about 3 weeks. My skin felt moisturized almost instantly, but the real test came when I noticed how long it kept my skin hydrated. The 72-hour claim? Pretty much spot on. My skin remained soft and smooth for a good couple of days between applications. When it comes to firming and toning, there was a noticeable difference in how my skin looked, slightly more even in tone and definitely smoother. However, I wouldn't say it was dramatic. The change in firmness was more of a gentle improvement rather than a noticeable lift. Now let's talk pros and cons. The major strength of this product is its hydration and smooth texture. It truly does nourish the skin, leaving it feeling soft and supple. Another positive is the clean, non-toxic formula, which is a huge win for those who are cautious about what they put on their skin. On the downside, while the product does improve skin's texture, I didn't notice any drastic firming effects, so it might not be the best option for those seeking a highly noticeable firming solution. So, is it worth the price? At the higher end of the spectrum for body lotions, it's important to weigh if the performance justifies the cost. While it provides long-lasting hydration and a clean formula, there are definitely cheaper options that also do a solid job at moisturizing. That being said, if you're looking for a luxurious, non-toxic body butter with clean ingredients and you're willing to splurge, this might be the one for you. When comparing this to other body butters on the market, the closest match would be something like the Kiehl's Creme de Corps or the L'Occitane Shea Butter range. Both also offer great hydration and a rich, creamy texture, but the Goop Body Butter edges out slightly in terms of the plant-based clean formula. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and practical with a sturdy jar that's easy to open and close. The formula itself feels smooth and blends into the skin well, with no irritation or breakouts for me. It's a well-made product, but I'd be cautious of the glass jar if you're prone to dropping things. I haven't had to interact with Goop's customer service myself, but given the brand's reputation for clean beauty products, it's safe to say they likely stand behind their products. They're known for high-quality standards, and based on the formula alone, this body butter seems to uphold that reputation. If you're after something more budget-friendly, there are alternatives like the Vaseline Intensive Care Advanced Repair Lotion or the Eucerin Advanced Repair Cream that offer comparable hydration without the premium price tag. To wrap it all up, the Goop Beauty Body Butter does deliver on its promises of deep hydration and a smoother, softer skin texture. However, it might not be the best fit if you're looking for dramatic firming effects. It's a great option if you're looking for a clean, luxurious body lotion that lasts, but be aware that you might not see an instant transformation in skin firmness. If this review was helpful to you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so others can also find this video and get the scoop on top-notch beauty products. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. You can find the link to the product in the comments box below. Feel free to share your experiences or ask questions if you've tried this product yourself. Until next time, stay beautiful, stay informed.